In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete uploads here in Canva. Now, what we want to do is head on over to the upload section, just like so. Then from here, whatever it is that we want to delete, we want to click on this little square box. So if we hover over any of these uploads, we're going to get that on all of them. Now you can also click on the three dots and download your original file as well, if that's what you want to do. But if you just want to delete these, we're going to hover over that, click on the little box. We can click on multiple different boxes as well. And then all that we have to do is come down here to where it says move to trash. If we click on there, then those items have been deleted. Now, as far as I'm aware, I think Canva keeps your deleted files in the trash for 30 days. So if you want to recover for any reason, you can go into your trash and recover. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to delete uploads here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.